today I am unboxing Zone by Jihyo twice. This is her solo album. And this is digipack version. Plastic. Okay. Also, it came with this little envelope that I will open when I look at the photo card and such. Front, back. Guessing the lyric book is probably over here. With photo card and such. Okay, and then let's look at the disc. I like the flowers. Alright, apparently I need to tighten the cord on my microphone. It keeps getting in the way, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, I don't want to know yet. Alright. Ooh. Stunning. Stunning. Ooh, oh no. There we go. I was like, something's not right. Alright. Now let's do, I believe this is probably a mini poster. I'm having trouble opening it. There we go. Beautiful. Right. Forgot what I was doing for a minute. Alright, let's look at this stuff. Oh, it's a Polaroid. I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember what it said it came with. And then this is one of those, I think probably a circle sticker. Like photo card sticker type thing that came, like the ones that came with Ready to Be. There's the photo card, but I want to do that last. Let's do what's in here first. This might be, oh, that's right. Okay, so it's an extra photo card. And this might be a pre-order benefit thing, and I got this off of Choice Music LA, if anybody is wondering. Beautiful. I don't know if that counts as like a postcard or what. Alright, and then this is the extra photo card and the regular one. This is the one that just standardly came with it. Oh, so pretty. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I love it. Everything is great. That like came with a lot for a digipack. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.